Greetings. I hope everybody is fine. So today I've brought a very quick tutorial which will help you when it comes to reggae music beat making. This is about third-party Vsts that you're supposed to have while making reggae music. I've divided them in 3 categories: the piano Vsts, the keyboard Vsts, and the guitars Vsts. This will help you so much, especially when you want to purchase these Vsts for your music production. I believe some of you are already using these VST plugins. That is good, but to those who are not using these plugins, this is your video. Stay tuned. Let's get into the tutorial without wasting time. So, list number 1 on keyboards, there is Korg Triton. Korg Triton is a very good VST for reggae because it has got a lot of rich sounds from synths, guitars, pianos, organs, blast sections, very rich sounds. Let's check it. Alright, so this is the Korg Triton. There is another one, Korg Triton Extreme. You can get Korg Triton or Korg Triton Extreme. These ones, their sounds are very much similar. So they have even put the sounds on SoundCloud on how you can check these sounds, and their prices are mentioned if you want to purchase this plugin. It's around $100 to $150. They might be expensive, but they are very good plugins. So this is the VST number 1. The second VST is Xpand. You have seen me using Xpand in my tutorials since I started this channel. Yeah, so you would wonder, Xpand. Let's check. Xpand 2. This is by Air Music Tech. You can see here. This is, you can try for free, right? So this is the price in South Africa because I live in South Africa. That's why it's getting this price. But I think it is around, it should be around 59 or 60 something US. It's a very good plugin, rich with every sound from blast sections, pianos, woodwinds, ethnics. You can see how much I use this plugin. I use it in every tutorial for reggae music that I've produced on this channel. Alright, let's go to number 3. This is the Hammond B organ, which is costing around $30, $29.99. This is a very good organ for reggae. You know, reggae is associated with percussive sounds, and those percussive sounds you normally use organs. This is one of the best plugins I would recommend you to get, or else alternatively you can use EZkeys 2. So EZkeys 2 is by Toontrack. Toontrack is a very famous Swedish company that is known for making Toontrack EZdrama, Toontrack Period Drama, Toontrack EZmix, Toontrack even this plugin, Toontrack EZbass. They're having a lot, these people. They're making very good plugins. Okay, so this is the Toontrack EZkeys. EZkeys has got 2 categories. It has got piano sounds and organ sounds. So once you manage to purchase this plugin, definitely you enjoy a lot of good sounds, and your reggae making process will never be an issue. This is their price. So once you purchase it around there, $179, you get this plugin, you'll be good to go. A lot of good sounds, organs and pianos. HALion Sonic. So HALion Sonic is by Steinberg. Steinberg makes recording programs like Cubase and Nuendo. Once you purchase, all you do trial, you can get it for trial for 60 days. That's very generous of Cubase. They will give you the package for you to download, so you download everything, you see. So you can download HALion Sonic, which has got rich sounds. In my videos, these are the sounds. You can see all the sounds. This is a very good plugin. You can download it for free. They are mentioning it here. That is it. Let's come quickly to the guitars. So the guitar section, definitely there is nobody rather than Kontakt, right? So let's check. So contact, this is one of the best guitars, Evolution Lake 12. This is their price, $179. They did offer you some good sounds and a better reggae making experience. The other one is Session Guitarist Vintage. So guitar, this one, very good, and the price is $100, 99. Okay, 99 or $100 anyway. You purchase this one, you'll be able, it has got a lot of good sounds. You can get these ones, the mute, you can change all these ones, these sections, and you enjoy. All right. Or else there is the Session Guitarist Mint. It's similar to this one. It does the same work. All right. Okay. So let's come to the bass section. The bass section, you have Session Bassist by Native Instruments Contact again. This one also has very good sounds. The price is the same, $99 US. You get this one, you really have very good reggae making experience, especially bass lines, because when it comes to bass, that's where maybe there is a struggle to find a very good Vsts which you can use for bass, right? So this is a very good VST. The other one is Skyby Rickenberg bass by Contact again. This one, it has got a lot of basses in this this VST. A lot of basses, dub, whatever you want for reggae. You will not even tune too much. You'll be able to use this kind of. You have good sessions when it comes to bass. And alternatively, you can also get Xbass by Toontrack again. It's also a very good. It's a very good plugin that you can also use for your bass. And yeah, here it is. Once you purchase it, you'll be able to use. So basically, that is it. This is the list that I prepared for you to know. However, there are many VSTs which offer good sounds. I personally might not have tried them. Some come when you purchase keyboards, for example, Novation, Arturia MIDI controllers. Once you purchase them, you definitely get Arturia Lab, VST. There are just a lot of options, but to me, this is a selection based on the genre that we do. Plugins like Xpand and Mini Grand, which I did not mention, but Mini Grand is also one of the best plugins for pianos. I prefer Mini Grand a lot because Mini Grand has got very good pianos. There might be other pianos by Contact, Granger pianos, Session Keys from Contact. There are a number of pianos. I've not tried some of those pianos, but I have stuck myself with Mini Grand or Xpand. In most cases, the best way to get most of these plugins is just to purchase a MIDI controller. It comes with all those VSTs. That is how you can get, because if you try to purchase them one by one, you may spend a lot of money. Some of the money you may not recoup in your productions. That should be the problem. These are the means how you can get or purchase them if you are financially okay. I only advocate the best way, legitimate way to have these plugins that you can use freely without anything. And because you get them legitimately, you cannot even share licenses. Once you install those plugins on your computer, you are done. You'll be good to go. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, once again, I'm Willie Wills, and this is what we do. I decided to make this video just to help in case we are just making beats. So this channel is not about making beats only. There are a lot of things that we can talk about. Podcast on our music production, podcast about the music business, how it goes, how can we make money as producers. A lot of things. So basically, this is what I prepared. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.